Welcome back to Guidance Story. In today's video, Sarah is going to take you in a quick tour of her kitchen. Through this tour, you'll learn the names of different kitchen tools and appliances in English, and sentences that you can use in your daily life conversations. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. First, let's start with the fridge. This is where I store fresh foods, like vegetables, fruits, milk, and eggs. Next to it, you'll see the freezer. I keep frozen items here, like ice cream and meat. On the counter, I have my microwave. We use it to heat food quickly. Right beside it, there's a toaster. I use it to make toast in the morning. Here's my stove. It has burners where I cook food in pans and pots. Above it is the range hood that removes cooking odors. In this drawer, I keep my cutlery, things like forks, knives, and spoons. Next to it, you'll find cooking utensils like a spatula, ladle, and whisk. I also have a peeler for peeling vegetables, and a can opener for opening cans. Here's my sink. I wash dishes here. I have a faucet with both hot and cold water. Next to the sink is a dish rack to dry the dishes. On the countertop, you can see my blender. I use it to make smoothies. I also have a coffee maker here. It's essential for my mornings. Next to it is my kettle, which boils water for tea. Inside this cabinet, I keep my plates, bowls, and cups. I also store some mugs here for coffee and tea. In the next cabinet, I have my mixing bowls, measuring cups, and measuring spoons for baking. Here's my oven. I use it to bake cakes, cookies, and roast dishes. Above it is a timer to keep track of baking time. Lastly, I have my pantry. Here, I store dry foods like pasta, rice, and canned goods. That's it for my kitchen tour. I hope you learned some new kitchen vocabulary. Thanks for joining me.